If you're experiencing a verification pending status on OVO, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause delays in the verification process. Step 2. Update the OVO app. Make sure you have the latest version of the OVO app installed. Go to your device's App Store, search for OVO, and update if necessary. Step 3. Clear app cache. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Resubmit verification documents. If your verification is still pending, try resubmitting your identification documents. Ensure that the documents are clear and meet the app's requirements. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the problem persists after following the previous steps, reach out to OVO customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on OVO efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.